Good morning, guys. All right, did not drive this the last 2 days because of the weather. I mean, it's crappy today, but I just can't not. And then I turn this around. Most of you are like, you're wearing the same thing again? And my answer is yes. Later, I'll show you. There's actually a hole in my pants. Nothing a little tape can't fix. If you know me, I hate spending money on clothes, especially clothes like this, where I just wreck. They just get covered in grease, dirt, mud, all that. I'm not gonna buy a new pair just to do that. So it's just like, yes, this is why I wear all of this all the time, because I could just wreck it and I don't have to worry about doing this to another set either. It's 48 right now. It's gonna get warmer. The Jetta is legitimately, the clutch is butter in it. And then this clutch, because of the south bend, there's actually some like torque and grab to it. So it's like, oh, good morning to me. Okay guys, here's a quick look at the Jeep I was just working on here. Little ridiculous right now. It's completely torn apart. Obviously the inner fenders are just completely gone. It's getting some metal ones, but did the 3-inch FabTech Dirt Logic Resi shocks up front. Same thing in the rear. Lots of wires hanging. We got lots to do on this guy here. Rockstar 3s, all the inserts and stuff, that's why there's no center caps, are going to be painted, so those need to be taken apart still. 37, 13, 50, 20s. This guy, I'm going to be honest, it's a sport with the 3-inch lift. With these high-rise fenders, though, you could probably fit 38s, probably 40s on this guy. But yeah, like I said, we got lots to do on this. Guys, it is so warm. I already texted Ben. I'm like, yo, let's go on a drive in your Jeep with the top off already, because it's so nice out. Remember when I said I'm moving south yesterday? Yeah, no, I'll stay here. That's usually how Ohio works. It's like, weather sucks, you hate it, but when it's nice, you're like, dang, I love it here. Oh yeah, that hole in my pants I was talking about earlier? Yeah. Dang, 2 seconds on that grid heater. So one of you guys sent me an article, well, not even an article, somebody sent me a statement, I don't know if it's on Instagram or what. A bunch of Ram trucks have been recalled. I looked into it. Pretty much it goes, the steering linkage may possibly become loose and causing loss of control. I'm gonna show you exactly what it is. It's not as big as it sounds. However, I'm gonna show you what has been recalled on these trucks, why, and what the current solution is, which in my opinion, for people who modify the trucks, that is an awful solution. So let's get home. I'm gonna get under the truck and show you guys what is wrong. Okay guys, we're at home now, and I just got this box in the mail. Good old Mopar parts. We'll get to that in a second. But I want to talk to you guys about the recall on these Ram 25, 3500s. Pretty much Ram has recalled 750,000 trucks. Two separate recalls here. The first recall affects almost 574,000 heavy duty trucks, Ram 3500s 2013 through 17, and Ram 2500 14 through 17. It's a steering linkage configuration that may separate over time, loss of steering, concerned drivers, yada yada yada. And then this second recall is for Ram 1500 pickups with adjustable pedals. Let's get you underneath here and I will show you exactly what they're talking about. This is what they're talking about. These nuts right here.
Got him!
On Rams, obviously you can see, first of all, when the lift kit's put on, this is flipped. It's flipped upside down to accommodate the new angle. So now my truck is a part of this recall. Now here's the thing. When your truck gets in alignment, these are loosened, this collar's adjusted to, you know, adjust your steering wheel. And what they're saying is, I think it's this downward nut here, loosens up, and somehow you lose control. When you put a lift kit on these trucks, you separate this completely. You take the sleeve off. If you go back, watch my lift kit video, you'll see there's 2 tabs in here that stick out of each end of this and on the end of this. You cut them both off. So the one article I was reading, the fix for it is if your steering linkage is to spec and it's torqued to spec, they weld that nut on there. And I'm like, you're gonna weld that on there? I mean, in turn, okay, that's fine, because you can loosen the top and you can still do your alignment, but I don't know if that's the actual fix. It says there's no fix, but the article I read, it said that was the fix. But if it's out of spec, they replace the whole drag link, I believe. But if the fix on that is actually to weld that bottom nut on so it doesn't move, that causes a huge problem, actually. Because us, for like truck modifiers, you need to separate that when you put lift kits on. Cut the tabs off and put it back together so you can get proper angle. So pretty much what I'm saying here is, I feel like there's gotta be a better fix for it. I mean, even if it was like Loctite or something. However, like I said, I've taken mine off, put it back on, and then on the other end I've got an alignment. So I mean, obviously I had to loosen it, put it back together. I'm gonna get another alignment. I'm probably gonna have to take it apart again when I put my next lift kit on. So it's like, it gets adjusted and moved around a lot. So for them to like permanently lock it on there, if that's actually the solution that comes about, like I read in the one article, that could be a serious modification stopper. I mean, obviously you could cut the weld and loosen the nut, but I have to be, you know, I'm interested to see how the, you know, the fix is actually, you know, the fix actually comes about. So see, this is the article, I actually found it. FCA will conduct voluntary safety recall to inspect the torque values. If the torque values meet requirement, the nuts will be welded to the adjuster sleeve. If the torque values do not meet requirement, the drag link assembly will be replaced. So, like, that's what I'm saying. If they weld that together, that's going to cause a lot of issues for people just trying to put lift kits on their trucks. And it says, like, within the hour, the number's going up. Like, the one I saw was 725. There's one that was like 9 hours ago that was like 825,000. And one that was like an hour ago was like 880,000 pickup trucks, including the Ram 1500s with the adjustable pedals. That's a lot of trucks recalled. I mean, I did check. This truck is in fact one of them. And if you guys are interested in checking two that has potential recall on it, I'll put the link in the description below for you to check out. I will probably wait till after I put the next lift kit on, because if they go out about and like weld those nuts on, I'm not gonna have it. Which, I mean, what? That's like an alignment. That's like an alignment tool. I don't know how they just weld the nuts on and you can't get an alignment anymore. I don't know. I mean, someone's gonna have to explain that one to me, but I'm probably gonna wait till after I put my lift kit on and get an alignment to go and take that recall, because I don't want to do that and get to the alignment shop and then be like, what is this? You know what I'm saying? Just to make life easier, even though there is a danger in it. Like I said, when I was doing the lifts on these, I was like, this is kind of a weird design. And I mean, I had to really crank on that thing to get that thing tight. So weird design. One of them's left-handed thread, the other one's right-handed thread, so they crush together and lock. That's kind of what that situation is there. Yeah, so if you guys are affected, check the description below, take a look at it, and you can see if you guys are part of the recall. Guys, this is why I want a Jeep. And now, like I say, a JL, but like JL, it's like, especially with what else I want to do and this SEMA build. I mean, it's a little expensive. But like a JK, definitely affordable. But what I'm saying is, this is just awesome. I mean, granted, it is only like 55 degrees right now, but take advantage of the situations you are given. Top off, awesome. I used to do this all the time with my JK. Doors off, I mean, they're still on, but those were the best summer nights. Taking the top off, taking the doors off, just cruising home. Even if it was like 50 degrees, I mean, you had your sweatshirt on, the heat blasting. I can't wait to bring a Jeep build to this channel. Guys, we're going over the water right now. I don't know if you can even hear me. Legitimate spooky bridge. But like,
You can't see the water.
you can't see. Okay, there you go. You can kind of see it, but it's so foggy. Oh my goodness. Woo!
Bridge.
Oh, now look at that. It cleared up. What the heck? All right, guys, back home here. We're gonna shut her down tonight. But first, for you guys who have stayed this long, here's the fancy little Mopar box we got. Now, here's your part number for all you who are wondering. I'm still up in the air about this mod. I like how the truck looks, but a lot of people want to know how to do these. I always used to, like the look of these, and then it just kind of really puts 2,500. 3,500 on the truck. It really just sets it off. I'm gonna put a link in the description where I got them. Obviously when I do the install, which should be tomorrow. I'm gonna link these in the description. I got them on Amazon, $97, cheapest I could get. Even from the dealership, it was like 130, so 97 bucks right here. Here's your part number though, if you so need it. In here, we're gonna open this up. And what do you think these are? Any guesses? You probably know by now. And we have a wiring harness, a template. That's right, the RAM clearance lights. That's right, guys, I ordered the factory cab lights for my truck. A lot of you guys requested it. And I was like, do I do it? I mean, they look sharp. Sometimes they look sharp, sometimes they're like, if I personally ordered the truck, I would order them with this. I mean, I like how the truck looks now, but I think with the cab lights, it'll kind of set it off. Everybody wants me to like smoke the cab lights so they're like black. I'm tempted to do so. If I did, that would... I still don't know if I want to do that yet. I'll get your guys' responses in the comments. But I kind of want to put them on, see how they look, and if there's a problem, I can always smoke them afterwards, like if I just don't like the way they look white. But I just think that, I guess we can go stick one up there for a show. Giant rubber gasket here. Let's go set one up there and see. Oh, blown away at how warm it is. I'm about to walk in this water. All right, so here's the roof without them. I'm gonna put one up here. I believe they go thick side forward. Oh, guys, I'm already looking at it. That looks awesome. Oh, guys. That with the black gasket around it, that's gonna look sharp up there. The whole roof done. Oh, guys, that's gonna look awesome. Oh, I can't wait. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, this is gonna look freaking sick. Oh, guys, I'm so excited for this. This is gonna look awesome all the way across. And I think the black gasket will really just... Yes, I think the black gasket will just set it off enough. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that now. Okay, guys, the answer for smoked is no. That gasket sets it off just right. The clear lenses look hot up there. Oh, guys, this is gonna look absolutely spectacular. I'm so excited for this one. Like I said, here comes with your wiring harness, your lenses. It also comes with a template, so you can pretty much, it does it for you. So you just put the template on your roof, mark exactly where you need to drill, and then that's that. I think my buddy Kaufman should be able to help me with this tomorrow. He's installed many of cab lights, none for RAM though. Everyone and all the instructions pretty much say remove the entire headliner, and I'm like, Kaufman, he's never installed cab lights on the Power Strokes or the Duramaxes with any, he doesn't remove the whole headliner. He just takes out both visors and stuff. So we're gonna try and do it without taking the whole headliner down, because that would suck. We're gonna try and get this done tomorrow. I am excited. That's gonna look awesome. So for you guys who stayed late in the video, look at that little sneak peek. So guys, I want to say thank you guys for watching. Get excited for that. Like I said, things are gonna get crazy here, but get excited for that. Thank you guys for watching. My face is so dirty, I'm about to go shower, but thank you guys for watching. Take care, and I will see you guys next time.